Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful forces God has given to humanity, love. Not just any love, but the kind of love that transforms lives, heals wounds, builds unity, and reflects the very heart of God. So stay with me because this message may be exactly what your life needs right now. What makes love so powerful? Love is powerful because it originates from God. The Bible tells us God is love. That means anywhere love flows, God is present. Love carries strength, healing, direction, and peace. When we truly love, we are not just expressing a feeling, we are expressing God's nature. Love has the power to break barriers, restore broken relationships, lift a discouraged heart, create unity where there was division, drive out fear, anger, and bitterness. Love is not weakness. Love is kingdom strength. The biblical foundation of love. The greatest commandment Jesus gave us is built on love. He said, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and love your neighbor as yourself." That means every Christian action is rooted in love. Our giving, our service, our worship, our forgiveness, everything flows from one foundation, love. Paul said in 1 Corinthians 13, "If I speak with the tongues of angels but have no love, I am nothing." This shows us that love is not optional for believers, it is the core of our identity. How love transforms lives. Love has a power no other force on earth has. Think about it. Love softens the hardest hearts. Love reaches where words cannot. Love heals wounds people never speak about. Love brings restoration to broken families. Love turns enemies into brothers. When God's love flows through you, you become an instrument of healing. Your presence can bring peace. Your words can give life. Your actions can restore hope. That is the power of love. What love looks like in real life. Love is not just emotion, it is action. Love looks like forgiving when you could fight back, giving when you could hold back, listening when you could ignore, helping when it is not convenient, speaking life when others speak negativity. True love shows the character of Jesus. God's love towards us. The greatest demonstration of love is the cross. Jesus did not die because we were perfect. He died because he loved us. John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son." His love saved us. His love redeemed us. His love made us whole. And if God could love us in our worst moments, then we must reflect that same love to the world. How to walk in love daily. Here are simple ways to walk in love every day. Pray for God to fill your heart with his love. Respond with kindness even when others are harsh. Forgive quickly. Don't hold on to bitterness. Look for someone to bless, big or small. Speak words that build, not words that destroy. Love is a choice you make daily. Love is powerful, more powerful than hate, more powerful than anger, more powerful than fear. And when you walk in love, you carry the atmosphere of God everywhere you go. Thank you for watching. If this message blessed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell someone today, God loves you and I care about you too. See you in the next video.